Cardiovascular disease is the main cause of death globally. Mouse models are useful tools for studying this disease, and our protocol can be used to quantify atherosclerosis in mice. Using this protocol, lesion size can be measured in 3 vascular locations: the aortic root, the aortic arch, and the brachiocephalic artery.
The quantification of atherosclerosis in mice can be a tedious task. We have provided detailed steps that we hope can speed up the process. Some of these steps are difficult to describe in writing. We hope that this video will help you in obtaining robust atherosclerotic lesion size analysis.
After harvesting a mouse heart according to standard protocols, place the heart on a cork bed ventral side up under a dissecting microscope and use a needle to fix the heart to the cork through the apex. Holding the base of the heart with anatomical forceps, use a scalpel held at a 20-degree angle caudally in the sagittal plane and 20 degrees cranially in the transversal plane to cut away the apical 2/3 of the heart. Embed the aortic root and the base of the heart in optimum cutting temperature compound, or OCT, and gently squeeze the heart with the forceps to fill the aortic root with compound and to remove any air bubbles. Transfer the specimen to the bottom of a cryomold filled with OCT with the aortic root perpendicular to the bottom surface and freeze the compound on dry ice. Then store the tissue sample in a freezer bag at -80 degrees Celsius until cryosectioning.